Sony HTS20R soundbar. Main features are speaker maximum output. Power is 400 watts. Connectivity technology through Bluetooth, USB HDMI. Mounting type wall mount. Model name Sony HTS20R 5.1 soundbar with wired subwoofer and rear speakers. Speaker type soundbar. Special feature is Bluetooth. Recommended uses for product for music players. Subwoofer diameter is 192 mm. Surround sound channel configuration is 5.1. HTS20R is a stylish 400W Dolby Digital 5.1 channel soundbar with 2 rear speakers and 1 subwoofer, delivering a powerful surround sound system in your living room. Easily enjoy your favorite songs via Bluetooth connection or USB input via subwoofer. The HTS20R home audio system is ideal for listening to music. With its sleek design and TV matching, the HTS20R soundbar with subwoofer is easy to set up via HDMI optical or analogy. Model number HTS20R. CEK. Included components are cable, quick installation guide, instruction manual, wall mount jig, remote control, remote map.